So without further ado, let's look at this new laptop. Okay, so this is the able computing invoice, and this is the date I received the laptop, 10th of March 2022, and the laptop cost is 2,109 kina, which includes the GST. Now if we turn over, the laptop comes with a 1-year warranty. So the laptop comes with this bag here, which is pretty good. I like it. So this Acer Aspire 3 was released in April 2019. The specs, the color is pure silver. The operating system is Windows 11 Home. The processor is Intel Celeron processor N4500. The LCD screen size is 15.6, and you have storage is 128 GB SSD. Now I chose this because it has SSD, which is much better than HDD. Okay, now we'll unbox the laptop and see what's inside. Ooh, what's this? Windows 11, Windows in S mode works, and then you have, if you want to learn more, you can click on this link here. Okay, now let's see what's inside. Now this is the inside box, and we'll see what's inside it. Ooh. Okay. Oh, let's put it over here. Okay, what's over here? Oh, I think this is the charger. And then you have another part of it. And then you have some screw here. What's this? HDD upgrade screws. You see, this charger here is much smaller. Okay, now let's look at this. Let's be careful. Oh, my baby. Let's just put it here for a while. Let's see what's over here. And then you have some papers here. Oh, this is the setup guide. It's very important to read the setup guide. Limited product warranty statement. That's it. That's all the papers. remove this white cover. We have two USB ports, one HDMI, and I don't know what that is to be true, and this is where you connect your charger. That's the front. On the right hand side you have another USB port. You have your audio jack here where you connect the aux cord, and I think this is where you connect a locker or something. What's at the back? We have nothing at the back. Let's open it. Guys, just have a look at this. Okay, let's remove this thing. Just looking. And watch this, full HD. Ooh, nice for watching movies. Oh, finally. So I tried calling Able Computing boss and he didn't pick up because it's I called it around 8 p.m. and so I texted him and he just replied saying Windows 11 requires PIN during setup. You can change it after login. So this is the look of the so not much program software is installed. Oh, we have Microsoft Office. It's good.